I just bought a new PS5. It's from May 2021. From what I see on YouTube and read on Reddit and so on, this new model is dead silent, no coil noise at all. Right now, in this room, I have my desktop PC started, and that one makes some small noise. And this is the noise that this new PS5 console makes at 16 frames per second in The Last of Us 2 game. From about a meter from TV and from PS5, I can't hear anything. Maybe you need to raise the volume on your phone or PC to hear. Yeah. And now it's dead silent. If this white LED was turned off, you can't see it's on. Yeah. So this brand new PS5 model, and also I have the Delta fan, the silent one. On PS4 Pro, Nidec fan was better and Delta fan was awful. On PS5, it's inverse. On PS5, Delta fan is awesome and Nidec is lower quality. It makes some noise. So this brand new PS5, Delta fan, no cool noise. I tested few games, including Call of Duty Cold War, The Last of Us 2, God of War. On PS4 Pro, in God of War menu, it was like an airplane. The fan was screaming at max capacity. In God of War on PS5, no noise at all. Also, in that game with zombie, Days Gone, on PS4 Pro, my Nidec fan was screaming. On PS5 in Days Gone, zero noise. This one make a small noise on a Blu-ray drive because I have a disc in it. So also that Blu-ray drive is awesome, is dead silent. It's like you haven't a PS5 in your room. It's like your PS5 is shut down. Yeah, so that's about it. Anyway, if you have an 2020 PS5 model and that one have problem with noise drive, or with fan drive, or with cool noise, newer revision, newer models is okay. At least my PS5. This PS5 is bought at about 10 May 2021 in Romania, Bucharest.